interesting. It took a while, didn't it? So we can hear a bit of a pneumatic leak on the pneumatic struts that close the sliding door. So that's not good because it's depleting the compressed air reservoir, obviously. But these Mark IV carriages are aging and on their way out now. Yeah, that's just wasting energy. We're already 18 minutes late because of an earlier fault on this train. So might be seeing its end days now. This InterCity 225, which is a shame, really. This is my favorite train. All right. And as you may know, these trains are getting replaced by the Hitachi A 300, the Shinkansen design, LNER. But this is still a lot faster than the Thames Link, so our top speed on this delayed journey should exceed 100 miles an hour. I'll try to take some screenshots of the GPS speed in a while, but so we can hear that the leak is constant. It's not a compressor spinning or anything like that. Yeah.